Welcome back, guys. Nice sunny day in Colorado. Snowed yesterday and the day before, but nice and pretty now. So, not a cloud in the sky. Anyway, we've been working on the car and primarily, as you saw, the front fascia. So, let's take a look where we are at. So, I was able to block it and prime it. And so you can see we got a lot of it nicely smoothed out. We'll find some defects when you prime it, like here. Got a little bit of a dip there that I didn't see. We're going to have some places where we're going to have to fill in still. So there's a lot still to be done, but the good news is the majority of the work is done. And everything's straightened and blocked out, so now we can start working on all of the little details. So it's actually starting to look pretty good. We'll probably put this panel away for a little while and start working on some of the others, because we're going to take care of those spots once we have all the panels back on the car, and we can start fixing those issues and also adjusting the gaps and so on and so forth. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to move on to the rockers. So in here I've been preparing for that, and I think in a few episodes back we talked about these edgings that I put in. So I was able to put these edgings in to make things nice and tight. So those are all glued in, and we'll be able to put a seal down there for the door, and that way it'll close nice and soft. So we did it on this side, and then also over here on this side we've got those in. So they'll just clean up the edges real nice, make them nice and straight, and then we'll also put that material here to make a nice straight edge for the belt line felt to go against, rather than just having this raw edge here. All right, well, there it is on the car. So basically got the front clip ready to rock, so it's looking pretty good. I don't have a screw in here, that's why this gap is a little off, but anyway, yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. I think that's the way we wanted it to look in the first place. So, but yeah, I think once that's all smoothed out and painted, that's going to look absolutely amazing. So there you go. There's a quick update. Basically, the whole front clip is nicely smoothed out. Ready for basically the final adjustments of the gaps and everything, and the sanding. Make sure everything fits perfectly, and then we'll blow it all apart, or I'll actually just shoot it in one shot, so we can just mask it off and shoot it. Probably the better idea, so that we don't get any color variations. But anyway, let me know what you guys think, and we're gonna get started on the rockers. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll have a special guest next week. I won't tell you who it is, but stay tuned for that. See you next time.